We have entered these three opportunities in the GUI. Okay. Then we check their row IDs. The row IDs are here. Okay, and the name of the opportunity I have put again here. This is how it will show in the database. We all agree to that point, right? Now let's enter three professionals or contacts, same thing, right? What are the names? John Smith, Smith, John. Okay. Okay, this is saved. What is the next one?
Rao Bose.
Okay. What's the next one?
Raj Das.
Okay. So let's note down their about record, and we know that how the data will look like in the GUI, in the database, right? Kina and Lincoln. What was the name?
First one is John Smith. No.
Down one. Okay, ठीक है.
हेलो वाला?
नहीं ऐसा ठीक है.
नहीं फिर भी नहीं
First one is not John Smith.
बॉस.
First one is Rahul Bose, second is Raj Bose.
Okay. Screwed up, right?
No.
84DI is Rahul Das. We all agree that the contact table data will look like this in the backend, right? There, I don't want to even go there and show you, right? We know that it will look
Right.
like this. We don't need to worry about that part. Okay. Okay. Now let's go to the Opticon table. There is a table called as S_Opti_con. Okay. Okay. Let's look for let's go and look at that table. Okay. See, if you see this table closely, there are only this Opti ID which is of interest to us, per ID which is contact ID is of interest to us. Okay. There are many other fields. I just will let you know that these are of no interest to us. So from now onwards, we will not. I don't want to see everything. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
I will only see these two fields. Oh, sorry, three fields. Row ID. Okay. Opti ID. Per ID. Okay. So this is what we have. These are the foreign keys to those to various to opportunity table. Opti ID is the foreign key to opportunity table. Per ID is the foreign key to the person table, that is a contact table, right?
Okay.
Right. Just PR is basically person. He should have named it con ID, right, to be more consistent. But this is one mistake that Siebel has done over and over again, and you cannot point fingers at this guy.
Okay.
Whatever is done, just take it. Okay. Now we'll see whether in any case there is any relationship between 10 PDS to anything or not. Okay. So I'm going to do this thing. Select row ID, Opti ID, per ID from Siebel where Opti ID equal to this opportunity. Okay. So there is no person attached to this opportunity. That's what it tells me. Is it right?
Yes.
Right? What do you think? Did we attach any person to these three opportunities?
No.
No. So that means for all three of these opportunities, in this table there will be no entry because there is no person attached to them, right? Making sense?
Yep.
So do you want to do one by one for each and every opportunity? Let's do that. So now the second opportunity is this one. there is nothing attached to it. Yes, I didn't attach anything. I mean, I didn't attach any contact.
Right.
Okay. Third opportunity, it will be the same thing. Okay. Now let's see whether those contacts are attached to any opportunity or not. These three contacts. We didn't do it, but just to confirm. Okay. I save it. Go back to this. Now I should be per ID, right?
Uh-huh.
One more thing, I should give it a nickname. Always I should give it a nickname. OC. Okay. Okay. All right. OC dot per ID. Nothing should come, right? We know that. Nothing came. It's all perfect. Okay. Then we go back. If we do the same thing for this, because these are not attached to any opportunity, there will be no entry in this opticon table. Okay. Now after this, now let's attach this some professionals to this opportunity 10 PDS. Okay. You do this by going to this view. I'm gonna click new and pick those guys. Whom do you want to attach? The first opportunity we have picked the 10 PDS, right? 10 PDAs was attached to who all? Let's go to
We'll
first.
attach to
Let's do
John.
100 laptops first.
Okay.
Okay, just do 100 laptops. 100 laptops. Okay, we go to professionals. Then we start attaching. The first one, 100 laptops, is attached to who all? 100 laptops is attached to John Smith and Rahul Bose.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah. 1 and 2.
And add. Okay. And then I go click new, then I attach John Smith, right?
Is one of these a primary?
No, this is primary because it is, we don't have the concept of primary here. Okay. John Smith and Rahul Bose. Okay.
So it's just not, so you don't have primaries when it comes to opportunity.
No, we don't have primaries when it comes to views. Whenever it is an MVG, the concept of primary is quite important. For example, in case of address, in case of sales team member. But when you're attaching multiple contacts, which is in a separate view, primary is there, but it is not a mandatory field.
Okay, but remember we had talked about primary just as like somebody who can go in when you have a group of people working on an account.
Correct, but these are contacts, not the employees.
Oh, these are not employees. I'm sorry. Okay. Take it.
Good thing. You thought. Acha. Now these two relationships should show. Okay, so 100 laptops. Let's 100 laptops. Basically, this one should show. Now 2 entries there. Is it right?
Mm-hmm.
Right. Okay. What is this one? Opti ID, right? Okay. Okay. There are 2 relationships.
Mm-hmm.
Right? Opti ID is same for both this relationship as we accept this thing expected. Now these are the person IDs of must be the person IDs of John Smith and Rahul Bose. Let's check 1-84DI. Yes, Rahul Bose. Next one is 1-84DD. John Smith. Making sense? Is right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So we see that the GUI relationships are shown in the database like this, are manifesting themselves in the database like this, right? Now let's put the second opportunity, 29 desktops. It is attached to Rahul Bose and Raj Das, 29 desktops. So we go back and we enter this data in the GUI. Okay, 10 desktops, right? Who all is there?
Raj and Rahul.
Here, Rahul Bose. Right? So 10 desktops is this one, right? I come back. It should have 2 relationships too now. Is it right? 1-84DN, 1-84DI. Let's see. DN is Raju Das,
Mhm.
DI is Rahul Bose. So it is reflecting in the database. Okay. If we make third 10 PDS, 10 PDS is attached to John Smith and Rahul Das, right? So I'm gonna go to GUI, go to that opportunity, 10 PDS, and I'm gonna enter a few professionals for that. What are the names of the professionals? That is Rahul Bose, right?
Mhm.
Second one, right? So we come here and we see that we look for that opportunity. (1-8 for DI DD. DI DD. Yes. In the back end, it is actually showing. In the back end, it is actually showing like that only. Is it right? Right. So we see that this is how an intersection table works. Okay.
Okay.
So now let's check the reverse relationship. Just see, Rahul Bose is attached to all three opportunities. Is it right?
Yes.
Right. So let's check whether it is true or not. Rahul Bose is 1-8 for DI. I'm gonna go make a query. Per ID is equal to this thing. Okay.
Mhm.
3 entries.
And I'll tell you everybody he's attached to.
Yes. He's attached to all three. Okay. Similarly, if you want to do another query for Raj Das, you will see that he's attached to only number 2 query, 29 desktops, right? So let's do that. Yes, he is. And he's attached to 84D5. What is that for? 84D5 should be 29 desktops. Is it right? So let's check. Yes, it is for 10 desktops. Okay. Okay. So it is quite right. You know that this is the way the data is getting stored here in the backend,
Backend.
right? Now, so this is one thing that I wanted to show. Now I will go to the next one. Okay.
Like and then comma and then
Yeah.
the next one. Like
Yeah. So उन्होंने नाम ये OC रखना है, right? So it will be okay. C होएगा C dot last name. This was the name, right? Opti the नाम से और रखेंगे O dot name, right? These are the two columns I'm going to ask from you. So I just wrote it. It's quite easy. I don't need to worry this much portion. From, ठीक है? Siebel dot S underscore opti, which will be denoted by O. Siebel dot S underscore contact C. Siebel dot S underscore opti underscore con, which will be denoted by OC, which will be nicknamed OC.
Okay.
Okay. Now let's put the conditions. Let's put the conditions.
Okay.
Where? What were the conditions? OC dot opti ID. This one.
Uh-huh.
Opti ID equal to O dot
Row ID.
row ID and OC dot per ID equal to C dot row ID.
Okay, so that means that
I put the conditions. This is how we were determining. This is how I'm asking him to determine.
okay.
Now put the limiting condition. You don't want to make it work on all the data. You want to work it on only where opti ID is equal to 184 DN, right?
Okay.
Right. Now if we execute this query, we will not get the opti ID as we have now, right?
Yep.
We will not get it. We will not get the per ID. We'll get the last name and the opti
And
name,
the opportunity name, yeah.
right? So let's execute. I'm sure there would have been some error. I 100% sure always.
Last time you raised it.
Which option is it? 1-8 for D5. 10 desktops. 10 desktops is attached to 2 people?
Mhm.
Yes, it is attached to John Smith and Rahul Bose. Right? So 10 desktops.
2 is
Yeah. Do you want to see
Das and
the?
Bose,
Yeah. You want to see? Yeah. You want to see Das and Bose, right?
Yeah.
You want to see their first name also?
Sure.
This was the column name, right?
Yes, FST.
Yeah. I will give you. I would advise you to make a list of the common column names and the tables that you will be using. I'll give you the list.
Okay.
We'll write it. We'll both together make it.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. We'll make it once for all, right? Okay. We'll do some mehnat today. Okay. If you execute this thing, I get this data. Right. I've got the opti name as well as the last name and the first name all in one view. Okay. This same information is present here also. We are in 10 PDs or where we are?
We're on 10 desktops.
10 desktops. So let me go here. 10 desktops. I drill down into professionals view, and yes, this is what I'm really looking at behind the scenes, how it is stored, right? Right? Is it right? So your exercise is to do the same thing, and you know, get this opportunity, the second opportunity, this opportunity is data. Same way, I want to see the 10 PDAs, and it should be seen that they are connected to John Smith and Rahul Bose. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.